Our rescue boat's coming around. I think they might let us go. They might not, because Jason likes me being tortured. Clear! And we're off like a boat full of people. Sorry, I'm really bad at analogies. Go away from mine. Everyone on the dock. You're not going to see them for at least 2 weeks. I'm kidding. You're never going to see them again. Of course, you've never seen them before, and you're doing all right. Welcome to the World Famous Jingle Cruise. My name is Skipper Sean, and I'll be your host for as far as we get. To increase your odds of survival today, make sure your main suit with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And do be sure to supervise your children. We're now entering the Amazon rainforest. Here in the Amazon rainforest, going up to 365 days a year. By my calculations, that's almost every other day. If you look off to either side, you'll see some of our humbugs. And if you listen real carefully, you can hear their calls. They're bah humbugs. Over here on the left, you're going to see the beautiful Inspiration Falls. Now, people often ask me, Skipper Sean, why do they call it Inspiration Falls? I call that because if you stir it for long enough, it's supposed to inspire you to go out Christmas caroling. Anyone? No? All right. We're now not only changing rivers, but we're changing continents. We're now in the Congo River in the deepest, darkest part of Africa. About to find out just how far our boat can go. I didn't pack any winter clothes for this trip, but don't worry, I checked the forecast, and there won't be snow in Africa this Christmas time. If anyone here has ever wanted to see the jungle book, it's over there. Up ahead on the beach, I arranged a pygmy holiday party for us, but looks like they almost dashed away to go shopping or something. I'm really not sure. But I think I know what someone's getting for Christmas this year. It's an old tree. You can tell it's all wrapped up with a boa on top. Don't worry, folks, they're real friendly creatures. They can even get a crush on you. Careful, though, it's a very constricting relationship. You might start to feel smothered after a while, just won't get wrapped up in that. We're going to swing by my base camp for supplies, and it looks like those gorillas have broken in and opened up all my Christmas presents early this year. And, they made a Christmas wreath entirely out of shotgun shells. Must got a real bang out of that experience. We're now turning on to the Nile River, which is the longest river in the world. It just goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. Now, if you don't believe me, you're probably in
disbelief.
Africa. We're in Africa. Over here on the left, you're going to see an African bull elephant. I can tell this is an African elephant because we're in Africa. And they're very rare creatures. I can practically guarantee you'll never see another one ever again. Oh, would you look at that? It's a Christmas miracle. Over here, you'll notice a sandstone rock formation. I like to take the time to point that out because so many people take it for granted. Out on the African belt today, we have some zebras, some impalas, some giraffes, and a lot of people tell you those are plastic wildebeest, but that's what I call fake news. Oh, that pride of lions kindly invited that zebra over for Christmas dinner. How sweet. I'm kidding, he's dead. Tired. Dead tired. We better let him rest in pieces. Would you look at that? There must be 1,000,000 rocks on that beach. I told those guys not to get a rhino a fruitcake for Christmas, but looks like they're going to get the point in the end. Here's my friend Ina. Everyone say hi, Ina. We're turning the corner once again. You know what they say, danger lurks around every corner here in the jungle. If you look off to the left-hand side, you'll see absolutely nothing. But there's something you don't see every day. But I do. Every single day. On ahead, we have the majestic Schweitzer Falls. They're named after that famous North Pole explorer, not for snow falls, but worry about that too much right now. We're going to go over that later. All right, folks, got a tight turn here. Need everyone to lean to the right. Feel that refreshing mist in your face. It contains up to 900 different types of tropical bacteria. Now, the Jungle Aviation Supply Company is running some great deals this holiday season. Well, just the other day, we got half off on a plane. Now, when you've been in the jungle as long as I have, you begin to smell danger, that is. Well, it's got some hippos over here. And they're wiggling their ears to keep warm. They don't want to catch hypothermia. They can be very dangerous, but don't worry. I know how to scare them away. I love you! I love you! Well, that sparks and all the women in my life anyway. Well, something tells me we're not out of the woods yet. Must be all these trees around us. We're about to enter headhunter territory, a terrible place to be headed. Over the canoe, you'll see the remains of my last crew. They didn't believe. Now watch this, only 3 drummers drumming. Come on guys, it was supposed to be 12. Get it together. I'm so sorry folks. Everyone keep your eyes up on the right here. Sometimes they like to ambush us. Oh no, they're on the left. Everyone get down. Those are spear noises. Okay, just give them the big pudding. They won't go until they get some. Well, folks, the moment you've all been waiting for. The 8th wonder of the world, the one, the only, the backside of water. Woo! Boxing Day miracle. And kids, please don't try that at home. You might hit your head on the sink. Don't ask me how I know that, I just do. We're now changing continents once again around the Mekong River in Cambodia. I don't know what's going on over here, but if I'm not mistaken, I think this might be the entrance to Santa's workshop. Okay, never mind, I was mistaken. This is starting to look kind of scary, so you better watch out, and I better not cry. See that a few of you aren't all here, but that's all right. We'll come back for you in 5 to 10 business days. It looks like we've stumbled upon the secret bathing pool, the Indian elephants. Feel free to take all the pictures you want. They're all wearing their trunks today. Now, does anyone know how I know they're Indian elephants? We're in Cambodia. Please pay attention. All those baby elephants want for Christmas are their 2 trunk teeth. Alright, there are a couple of these elephants who like to try to squirt our boats. I'm going to see if we can sneak past them. Hold on. You know, when I said to shower us with gifts, that is not what I meant. Alright, I think we're okay. I think he ran out of trunk space. Everybody get down, get down! I'm not kidding! I'm not kidding! I'm just kidding. That's a little dry humor for you. During this point in our journey, I'd like to point out some of my favorite plant life. And I like that green one. Now, no trip through the jungle would be complete without a visit to our good friend, Trader Sam over here. Now, Sam is our head salesman here in the jungle. Unfortunately, business has been shrinking, so he's offering a special holiday deal. 3 of his heads for just 1 of yours. It's a great deal anyway. You slice it or dice it, you're sure to come out ahead. As we come around this last corner, approaching the most dangerous part of our journey, the return to civilization. So make sure to remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And do be sure to supervise your children when the time does come to exit. If you're on this side, you're exit out that front door. If you're on the jungle side over here, you're going to turn around and exit out that back door. Please don't cross those center crates at any time. You will ruin Christmas. Well, folks, like I say every year on December 26th, get out. I'm sorry, that was rude. Please